So Brian Thomas, the CEO of United HealthCare, was just brutally murdered. And you would think that we would come at this as humans with love and compassion, right? Let's see what the comments have to say. Is the hospital a network? Did he really need to go to the ER? Why didn't he try urgent care? Insurance should deny the ambulance ride. It's not covered. Sending my sincerest bills and collections. Hope the hospital was in network. Thoughts and prayers. Sending prior authorization, denied claims, collections, and prayers to his family. And whatever your opinion might be, I think the fact that we have comments like this signifies that there's a deeply rooted issue within American society. There's an incredible amount of frustration within the healthcare system, and it's often criticized for prioritizing profit over patient care. And I would know this. I worked at an insurance company. I was one of the people who took the calls, and I had to tell you that, I'm sorry, your insurance is not going to cover your diabetes medication. And I would have people on the other line saying, I'm basically going to die. So these comments mocking this tragedy by referencing things like the prior authorizations and denied claims and such reflect widespread resentment and disillusionment with for-profit healthcare systems, which is going to lead to the dehumanization of corporate figures. People associate CEOs of large corporations with systemic failures, which is going to lead to a lack of empathy towards these individuals no matter what happens to them. And then this reflects how corporate power and perceived greed overshadow personal humanity in the public's eyes. And with this social inequality comes anger. So many people have experienced denied claims, medical debt, or lack of access to healthcare, and of course are projecting their anger onto public figures who represent these systems. And I think what we're seeing is that these comments are representative of a cultural shift. Now we have social media amplifying this lack of compassion because it's turning these platforms into venting sessions for systemic problems. So while a lot of these comments might be harsh, I think it also represents a desire for systemic change. And it's showing how deeply people feel about these failures and the need for accountability in all of this, even if it's expressed inappropriately, but also hysterical.